see that the other side of the Port Harcourt Enugu Expressway is done. You know, this is gone past the UNTH if you're heading to Port Harcourt. So it's done, but not yet in use. And the thickness of the road is really, you know, it's really good. The earthwork, the last time I was here, they were doing the earthwork, doing the excavation, and they did total replacement. When I say total replacement, not patchy. No, they did total replacement of the road. And you know, I think I keep saying it, anything worth doing, what do we? You can see some of the old ones they removed is still there. I don't know when they would allow people to start using it, but people, the work is ongoing, but the work is slow. I keep repeating the same thing. The work is ongoing, but the work is very slow. So you can see this is the finished portion of Port Harcourt Enugu International. Port Harcourt Enugu Expressway. So the 2 lanes are in use. Oh dear. Can you imagine a truck stopping in front of the way? A truck. See? Dumping, no signs, no nothing, no warnings. You can see the tires are even worn. So this is Mako. Okay, so where we are now, you can see that on your left it is in use. That is the way this road ought to be all through. So some of it are already completed, and the ones that are completed, the job, the quality is real good. So you can see on the left, so if you're heading to Port Harcourt, which is where I'm heading to now, I left Enugu after I visited the Enugu International Airport. Now I am headed to Port Harcourt, and you can see that the road, you know, there are sections towards Enugu that are being done, but this section here is already completed. And you can see that the movement is free, the movement is indeed smooth. Okay, so this section, the one I'm driving on, wasn't done by this government. So this is still the old, the one this current government has done is the one on my left. That means if I'm heading back to Enugu now, the one I will use is the one the government has done. Okay. So that's it, people. You know, you can see, I believe by Christmas 2021, by December 2021, hopefully, this entire stretch will be finished. Now, while on it, I noticed something different that they've done. In some areas at the middle, they've done a water channel which we call gutter. But rather than clear the bush, they engage in bush burning. And one thing that I think is not good is when you do this bush burning and the cement get burnt, it cracks. So somehow the communities, I don't know if the bush burning is being done by the communities or the contractors that got the job to come clear the you know, the middle. So I don't know who does it, but whoever is doing it, please, it has to stop. You can see that here on my left, you can see the gutters or the water channels. Whoever is doing it, it has to stop because it destroys the job that was done. And you know, and I can even see that people are farming in between the roads. I can see that people are farming. I saw corns there. I don't know if that's a good idea, you know, for someone to be farming there, because imagine you're farming there, a car has issue with brake. See, the thing with trucks, see, they go to speed lane and they stay. They are, I call them speed lane hoggers. They hog the speed lane, they don't leave. And you have to drive illegal to go by the right, as if you are overtaking in Ireland or in the United Kingdom. That's, you know, the way people overtake over there in those countries. But here we drive left-hand drive, so you overtake via the left, not via the right. But these guys will make you overtake via your right, because they just hug the lane, they don't move. Anyway, so I would come back again when I get towards Imo State. When I get in Imo State, Okigwe, then I'll give us more updates on that section of that road. So here we are. I'm headed to Okigwe now. If we go left, you will be heading towards Ebonyi. And I used that road the other day. I'll tell you people, Ebonyi State is a joy to visit. The road is the best in the entire southeast. Yes, Mazezoke said it. I am from Anambra. We only make mouth with our roads. But if you go to Ebonyi, the roads will shut you up. I'm being real. I never knew this until I visited Ebonyi this January. I am being real, as in real. They do 8 inches concrete base with iron mesh before they even put asphalt on the road. Just to let you know how far and what they are doing. They are doing a marvelous job. I can tell you that for free. Anyway, I'll rejoin you guys later. Thanks. So, you can see the soldiers. Now, this is the guy collecting money for the soldiers. You can see him there. See? So we are back to one-way driving. We're back to one-way driving now. That's the way we roll. That's Nigeria for you people. The road is smooth, people. That must be said. The road is smooth.
la 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 la.